We are gonna cook Dad's favorite dish. Today, Dad is the chef.
Rajma.
Namaskaram everyone, this is Vaishak and welcome to the Daily V.
Namaskaram everyone. Yeah. So it's 8:37. I woke up little bit early because there's a podcast with Narayana today. So he has a podcast running and I get to be a guest finally. Yo. So today podcast recording at 1 p.m. And after that nothing much. Maybe I'll watch some videos, edit it, post it and read some books. I'm actually reading a little bit more. I think I'll plan to read a bit more books. And I definitely want to read inner engineering again because this was the exact dates in which I had attended my inner engineering program here in Kochi, Kerala from 18 to 24. So it's been 3 years of inner engineering. Yeah, I think I need to put a video of it also. So yeah, I'll get and do my practices now.
Okay, everyone. Today we are gonna cook Dad's favorite dish. Today, Dad is the chef.
Rajma.
Okay. എന്തോരം രാജ്മ ഉണ്ടോ?
Half kilo.
രാജ്മ we have to put. ആദ്യം soak ചെയ്തല്ലേ? എത്ര നേരം?
Soak for 12 hours.
Oh, 12 hours. And then we put it in the cooker. Pour
Water so that the rajma is.
Oh no, Mom will kill us.
Now put salt.
How much?
1.5 spoon.
1.5 spoon salt.
Okay. Then put coriander, turmeric and chili powder. Then put garam masala.
Okay.
And onion, chopped onion. Then 1 tomato and 1 potato.
When did you learn to cook this?
It's my own invention. Ginger, garlic and green chili. Little bit. Like the
Now everything is inside the
cooker.
Yes.
You just stir.
Okay, we are stirring. Now there's a story behind this rajma. This is one dish that no one in our family liked, but Dad was the only one who liked it because he had it in NIT Kurukshetra. But slowly he forced.
First I didn't also like it, but then once I started liking, this was the main dish for us.
So similarly, neither me nor my mom we like the smell of it also. We used to run away, but slowly after eating, this has become one of our favorite dishes.
Cooker.
ഏതിന്റെ കുക്കറാ? Prestige. Prestige आता है कुकर.
Prestige.
Prestige. How much minutes?
About 5 to 6 whistles.
And now we shall put our Prestige whistle. Okay. Okay, when the whistle slowly starts coming, you put it in sim, else it will fast the whistle will go and it won't get cooked properly. After half an hour of cooking, keep it for half an hour, note the number of whistles because rajma is very hard to cook. It remains super hard. Looks like it's cooked.
Yeah, mash some potatoes so that the gravy become thick.
Inside it, you have to put in the spoon and mash the potatoes so that we get a thick, yummy gravy.
Yeah.
Now we put it back and keep on heating it.
And add coriander leaves. Kasuri methi. Pours little bit of sunflower oil. Making it tastier, add
Some ghee.
ghee.
We have some
If it is-
ghee from Anveshan ghee.
Whole ghee, that is much better.
But mom won't allow full ghee. Ghee is gradually melting into the oil. And it has disappeared.
We'll put some cumin seeds. Chopped onions. Make it brownish, slightly brownish or golden color. Brownish. Okay. And take it and pour it into the yummy rajma is ready.
Okay, Daddy is going to review his own rajma curry.
My favorite dish, rajma with chapati and a piece of onion.
Full positive pranic. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടച്ചാ നല്ലതാണോ
Super.
സൂപ്പർ ലൈക്ക് ഓൾ ക്ലീഷേ കുക്കിംഗ് ചാനൽ കുക്കിംഗ് ഓൺ ദ ഓൺ ആൻഡ് ടെല്ലിംഗ് സൂപ്പർ Namaskaram everyone. So I have a parcel. I don't know what it is. It has just come. So it's from R. Gavini Legend Chimes, Hyderabad. Okay. So let's open it. I don't remember ordering something. So let's just it came yesterday afternoon. So I had kept it outside. Dad had kept it outside so that we can take it after one day because it's coming. So we keep it like that just to be, cautious. I would recommend everyone also to do that. What is this? A lot of packing. Oh. Okay. It is Desi ghee. Okay. I didn't order ghee. But Desi ghee has come for me. How come? 18 herbs organic Desi ghee. Okay. From Brain Tonic for Children. Okay, 18 herbs. Okay, I think someone ordered ghee in my home. But who? I have no idea. Who? Okay. From where did this come? I have no idea. This is so confusing. Let me see the bill. Okay. Who ordered this? I didn't order this ghee. Let me go check with my parents. Like, did they order or someone in the family order? Okay, so this is the ghee, guys. Okay, I do not know which brand this is, so I need to check this again, and I will try to update you guys. Okay, bye. So this is for what? Brahmi is a traditional herb known for its mind enhancing and stress releasing and fortifying hemp. Brahmi ghee with desi ghee is a unique traditional Ayurveda Siddha recipe which supports memory, immunity, and stress. Ghee helps maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Ghee is rich in probiotics. So this is desi ghee. Is it A2 ghee? That is something I'm trying to check. Don't know. It is not mentioned over here. So this is from a company known as 18 Herb Organic. Let's see. It's okay. Yeah, that's the ghee. Tata. Ghee. Okay, everyone. My field plowing is going well. I have plowed till here. My Angamardana is slowly starting to work. Good upper body exercise, and I hopefully after doing this for a long time I will be able to climb the rope from which I fell at Josunana's place. And of course I forgot to mention, this is also a way for me to connect with the earth by doing it barefoot. So if you have some time, walk barefoot daily. This will help you, maintain your physical as well as mental stability also by being connecting with the earth. It is quite stressful for us, I think for me also, because it's lockdown, I have been at home. I usually like to travel around, meet friends, but that is not happening. So we have to stay sane, but we also have to stay at home and keep ourselves safe. So if you get some time, 10 to 15 minutes, walk on the ground if you have a place near you, or if you have some mud or sand, you can just put your hand and feet inside it.